Hello everybody, today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Crosby, Stills, Nash & Young Deja Vu 50th Anniversary Deluxe Vinyl Box Set. This box set arrived yesterday and it's currently inside this package. I'm going to open this package and show you the vinyl box set and show you everything that's inside this box set. So hope you enjoy this unboxing of the Deja Vu 50th Anniversary Deluxe D2C edition box set, and let's begin. I'm going to open this package here. Moments ago I mentioned D2C edition. D2C stands for direct to consumer. And here's the box set right here, the vinyl box. Put this box aside and show you the actual box set here. Crosby, Stills, Nash & Young 50th Anniversary Deja Vu set. A texter on the box. And it's currently sealed. I am going to open this. And this one's limited to about 3,500 copies. It's currently available on both the CSNY website and the Rhino Records website. I bought this off the Rhino Records website during the 4th of July sale. I saved about, I think, $50 and also placed an order without having to worry about paying for shipping. So I saved some money on this set, and I didn't have to pay for shipping. It was a free shipping. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the side here. Let me show you the texture one more time here, and then I'm gonna open the side here and get the vinyl records out. Okay, let me open the plastic. I finished cutting the plastic on this box set. Now to take the records out, show you everything that's in this box set. Okay, before I get to the records, let me show you the inserts here in the booklet. There's an insert right here, and that's numbered 3033 out of 3500. I got this one kind of late. Inside this folder are photos right here. All these photos were taken by Henry Diltz, including this one I showed you. And here's a look at the booklet. And while I quickly go through this booklet, I want to say I did get the 4 CD box set, the one with the 4 CDs and the vinyl record of the remastered Deja Vu album. And I played the record and it sounds great. And I did an unboxing of that set in my latest Vinyl Finds by Other Artists update video that's posted on my my Beatles companion channel, which is Beatle Vinyl 85. I still use this channel, My Vinyl, too, for unboxing of certain things, like, you know, all other artists, and you know, and not the Beatles. Hope you enjoyed the booklet here. It's a great booklet. Now to show you the vinyl records, let me show you the actual album first. Deja Vu album remastered. And look at the gatefold. And let me show you the vinyl record. It's in this black inner sleeve. And all of these are in black vinyl. Here's a look at the second album in this box set. This album includes all the demos. And this set is a all vinyl companion of the 4 CD set. And this was one of the 50th anniversary reissues that was delayed by a year due to the pandemic. Here's a look at the gatefold. The track list. This is a 2-record set. And let me show you record 1, which is in a different inner sleeve here. And this vinyl record was made in the US. The vinyl record on the actual album, that one was made in the European Union. Here's a look at record 2 of the Demos album. Here's a third album in the box set, which includes all the outtakes. The track list here. Look at the vinyl record. This one too is pressed in the US. And finally, the Alternates album, which was just released on Record Store Day about a week or 2 ago. Back of it. And here's the sealed Record Store Day copy I bought on Record Store Day this month. Now to go back to this copy, show you the gatefold, track list, and here's a look at the vinyl record, also pressed in the US. that concludes this unboxing video showing you the Crosby, Stills, Nash & Young Deja Vu 50th Anniversary Deluxe Vinyl D2C box set. Hope you enjoyed seeing everything in this Deluxe Vinyl box set. And the last time I checked, this is still available for order on both the CSNY website and the Rhino Records website. And if you love this album, get this box set while you can. There's only 3,500 copies made of this. And thank you very much for watching, and talk to you all later.